I spoke to William Lee, the chief economist at the think tank Milken Institute. Here's his take on Trump's tariff threats.
I think President Trump has shown his desire to have negotiations. And what you're going to find is that, unlike President Biden, whose negotiations were behind the scenes to try to get everyone together to make these multilateral trade deals, President Trump is much more of a direct one-on-one negotiator, and he's going to favor a lot of bilateral deals and regional deals. I think the Canadians and the Mexicans have already shown they're very willing to come to the table to negotiate the terms of getting the tariffs down or eliminating them, and getting to the core issue that worries President Trump, which is immigration and drug flows. I think with the Chinese, you'll find that negotiations are going to go back to where we were in 2016, where President Trump wanted to negotiate with President Xi the beginnings of the 21st century global trade pact between the two largest countries in the world. And we were onto a good start there, and I think continuation of that will be something that you should expect to come up. But the tariff threat is always in the background, because that's what President Trump is holding up and saying, if we don't negotiate a deal, we're going to have a terrible world.
And we know that he's done it before. Fears of global trade wars have risen once again, and even further since yesterday, after Trump threatened to impose a 100% tariff on countries in the BRICS group if they create a new currency to rival the US dollar. Should members of BRICS be concerned?
I think the BRICS countries and all of these efforts to try to circumvent the United States and to try to create these new currencies is something that they have to reassess and saying, what is the cost and benefits of doing so? And what President Trump has said is the costs are really higher than you think. You are much better off staying within the dollar trading zone than you are in creating a new currency. And that's the subject of negotiation. But the 100% tariff is a way of reminding people what some of these costs may be.